Sticklers Cleaning Fluid is the best choice for multi-purpose fiber optic cleaning. You can clean virtually any fiber optic connector in any configuration, in any location. Clean fiber optic end faces that have general contamination or polishing compounds. Tackle all your sources of contamination, including fiber sidewall in preparation for splicing. The patented multifunction Triton dispenser provides maximum utility for wetting sticks. The hands-free feature and faster drying fluid are time savers that equal cost savings to you. You'll find less waste, as Sticklers Cleaning Fluid has the perfect metered dose and an extension tube for pinpoint dispensing. It won't spill, freeze, or evaporate from the container. The ultra-pure optical grade cleaning fluid is hermetically sealed in a can and impossible to contaminate. It outperforms IPA alcohol, is fast drying, and leaves no residue for a cleaner result. This cleaning fluid will also quickly dissipate static on any surface. With safety as the underlying goal, Sticklers Cleaner is non-flammable and compliant with European, RoHS, and REACH standards. Sticklers transports as non-hazardous. It is non-regulated and perfect for use in cleaning kits or in high production environments. Find everything you need for better fiber optic cleaning at sticklerscleaners.com.